Welcome and welcome back to Mike Made YDMX. You're here with Mike, and pretty much everything you see, I made. So today we're going to take you out. I got a rainy day. It's November 20th, 2024, and we're going for a little quad ride. It's been raining pretty good. We're going to check the ponds, and we're going to try something different today. This is going to be a unedited, uncut version. We're going to go for probably about 20 minutes, and instant classic original. So hang on tight, let's go for a ride. I'm gonna we're gonna just be strapped to my head, get on the old Rubicon 4x4 and cruise around. Hit it. All right. Excuse the view for a second, gotta get strapped up. All right, hopefully you guys can see, huh? We won't know, have to let me know. All right. "20 minutes of fun has begun with no sun, but it should still be pretty fun." Oh shit, excuse my language. I have some gloves. I got some super expensive gloves. Where they at? Oh man, yeah, these are the best gloves you can get. No, maybe not. They're like $5 at Harbor Freight. They don't keep your hands warm, but they work good for when you're doing lots of other little stuff around the house. All right, here we go. So, first thing we'll notice is our road is now a creek. All right, follow this down to the first pond here. The rain doesn't mess up the view too much. Normally, see, I have once it stops raining, I make a little ditch right here, and I got this hose, a little like a little filter on there, not a filter but a screen, you know. And this water, because it basically will just stop running right here when it rains a lot, and then I catch it and make it go into the pond, so I get rid of this spot. But you gotta wait till it rains a bunch first. Starting to get there. There's all the dirt from our road. Pond's getting filled up. We got the little pump in there. That works semi good, except I got solar panels right up there. It'll work for like 2 hours a day. Solar doesn't work for shit. So go electric. Yeah, works really good if you don't like things that work. Oh, that's muddy. I couldn't even turn. All right, we gotta make this more exciting for you guys, huh? No edits. Womp, womp, womp. All right, let's get the fuck out. It said 2-wheel drive. Like 800 or something like that, or 1,000, and it's automatic, or not automatic, but a manual. You shift it. There's no clutch or anything, but all sold because it feels like a dirt bike. It's fun to ride. It is not a freaking 800 though. It's like a 550 or something like that. Feels like it's nothing. Got some pig rooting right here. Oh, that is slippery. Back end took off on me. I gotta clear this tree out of the way right here. Might need 4-wheel drive for this. Definitely different gear. Yeah, 2-wheel drive. It's good to work in my trails when it's wet. hit a new one. This one better hit 4-wheel drive. Oh, that was not good. I hope it starts. Whoa, I never even had that happen before. It's where the wild animals like to hang out up in here. I try not to mess with this area too much so they have a spot to hide. See pigs and deer around here. I just made this little trail just probably like a week ago actually. I'm always making new stuff. This, I don't even know if I've ever tried. Oh yeah, I've gone up it a couple times on the quad, but it's a little sketch. Drops into the dirt bike track. To ride around here when it's raining and really muddy like this, because I'll be pressure washing my quad for like 3 hours after this, trying to get the mud off. But for you guys, we'll give it a try, huh? I just changed this up the other day. I moved that back like right there, about 2 feet-ish. It seemed like just a little too small, so. Jump on the quad. Ooh! Yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to make it all the way. We'll try it on a race quad. You know, we're going to get to burn this stuff pretty soon. Oh yeah. We'll reverse jump them. It's not making it, huh? If you guys haven't seen my dirt bike track videos, I've got a lot of them. Check one out. Oh, I just did some work to this the other day. Put some new, I put in all that little berm, raised it up. It would just like roll off before and all my dirt would just run in that puddle down there. So fix that up. Put some more dirt on the jumps there. It's kind of like a sandy dirt. It's nice. It's my whoop section. Whoopty whoop. Oh yeah, it's wet. Ooh. This is not really a pond, but it looks like one right now. We're trying to hit the hill climb 2-wheel drive. Oh, this shit is muddy. Oh yeah, no problem. Side hill action. Ah! Wow. This trail is overgrown, if you can't tell. Oh shit, that was close. That's the top of the hill I came from. Alright. wrong way. Get a lot of rocks from here and off my dirt bike track. Oh, almost the pond, huh? Think we can make it across that right there? Two-wheel drive, hill climb action, second gear. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, wheelie, no problem, Bob. A lot of it's all on kind of, if you can't tell, there's two hills right here, come to a ravine, so the hill trails are all off camber. So it's alright if you're by yourself, but you take two people on a quad, it's not that fun. Little hill climb I was doing on the dirt bike. Trail here that I haven't been on in a while. Take the hard way. Ooh. I like trying to break my equipment. Not really, I'm not trying to break it. I like to ride. Just want to ride, man. Had this big old half this tree broke right here and fell across my trail. Haven't been able to clean it up yet. I tried during the summer, it's just so hot. This is one of my dirt bike hill climbs right here. I won't do this on the quad. I'll go down it. Yeah. Oh, mama. All right, let's go back on a little back trail back towards the house. This one's really off camera. Oh shit! Oh, too fast, too fast! Oh, that was too fast. Almost went in that ditch. Good times. I don't know if we'll make it up this in two-wheel drive. I'll try it. Hit it. I've seen a bunch of pig rooting over here just the other day. There's all this, you can't really tell now because of the rain, but there's all this sign in here that was not here. I'll show you guys when we get to the top. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whew. See all this right here, all pig rooting. Look at the rocks in there. You see? That's where I get all my landscaping rocks from. Anywhere when I get dirt, there's always a lot of rocks. target practice. Trying to make a new trail right over here. It's the edge of the property line right here. I have to pick that up. Oh shit, we're gonna need 4-wheel drive too. We're gonna go off the cliff here. Hang on. Oh god. Yeah, cut that. Ooh, my hands are getting cold. Got to be getting close to 20 minutes. See, this is all pig rooting. None of this was here. Put my trail camera up. Maybe I'll show you guys if we got any pigs on there. Well, I did get like 10 of them the other day. There's a house across the way. All right, we'll head back. It's got to be close to time. It's all rooting right here. None of this was in here. Hard to tell with the rain now, but it's my little tunnel trail. Like I said, everything I've made, none of these trails were here, none of that dirt bike track was here. This is just 40 acres. Now it's a dirt bike park. Alright, we'll try to take a little different route back for you guys. Let's see. Every single one of these trails I made. We've lived here, I don't know, 4 years? Maybe almost 5 years? 4.5? Something. We lived there for some years. Not that long ago. Jump right here, but big ass tree. Gotta fix that. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me in the rain. Hopefully you had a little bit of fun. Don't be afraid to subscribe and come back for some more. Until next time.